So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you can't unable to install and download iOS 15 updates on your iPhone and iPad. Guys, now lot of iPhone and iPad users also reported to unable to install and download iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all open the settings app. Now scroll down, tap on the general. In general, second option is software update. So guys, please make sure tap on that. In software update you can see also iOS 15 available, but still now download and install options disappear on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, in this video I will show you that how to fix. So guys, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Users major question is how to fix unable to install and download iOS 15s on your iPhone and iPad. I give you some solution for that issue, so guys please make sure follow the step. So guys, now solution is most important. The solution is check your iPhone storage. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and open the settings app. Settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also scroll down and select the iPhone storage options. In iPhone storage if you full, so guys please make sure unused apps, photos and videos delete in your iPhone and iPad. Now again you can check also install and download iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. Now second solution is also important. The second solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys please make sure follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also last option is shutdown options. So guys please make sure tap on that. Now you can see also top corner slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, third one solutions to you can easily fix your problems. The solution is reset network settings on your iPhone and iPad. So guys please make sure follow the step. Now first of all open the settings app. In general scroll down and select the second last option is reset option. So guys please make sure tap on that. In reset you can see also third option is reset network settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset network settings and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you general solution for that issue. The fourth solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now first of all open the settings app. In settings app you can see also first option is aeroplane mode. If you turn off, so guys please make sure turn on your iPhone and iPad. Now wait for the 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. Now solution fifth is reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all again open the settings app. In settings app scroll down, tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset option. So guys please make sure tap on that. Now first option is reset all settings. Now enter your passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now solution 6 is most important. The solution is turn on and off Wi-Fi on your iPhone and iPad. So guys please make sure follow the step. Now first of all again open the settings. Now second option is Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi if you turn on, so guys please make sure turn off. Now wait for the sometimes, then again turn on Wi-Fi in your iPhone and iPad. And also check the Wi-Fi connection is strong or not. If you not, so guys please make sure strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you last solution for that issue. The solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys please make sure follow the step. If you using iPhone 11 series, 12 series and X series, so guys first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on volume down button and press the and on off button in same times. When Apple logo appear in iPhone screen, then release all the buttons in your iPhone and iPad. Automatically restart your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. Solutions to you can easily install and download iOS 15 on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so DM on Instagram. Thank you so much.